What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be replacing this antenna boot and the antenna. Let's get into it. So as you can see here, this thing has been bothering me since I bought the truck. It looks like it's pretty much falling apart here. Oh yeah, look at there. It's just ripping right off. And it looks like the previous owner just put the zip tie on here so it didn't fall apart. But we're going to go ahead and remove this antenna. Might be able to, oh yeah, look there, I got it by hand. Okay, there's the old antenna. I'll go ahead and toss that to the side. And I'm going to start removing this old boot. As you see here, it's just completely fell apart. This next part, I believe this thing just slips over here, and it's got this little lip where the metal sits on. So I'm going to try, it's probably going to be hard to do it one-handed, but I'm going to try to do this. I fought this for a little bit trying to put it on here. As you can see on here, I marred up the edges a little bit trying to force it on here. I cleaned this up a little bit, but it looks like the only way to really do it is to come underneath here and pop these clips out of here. I just use a flathead and pried each side that bends there down and pulled on this while I was doing it, and it popped out. I attempted this one and it actually broke it, but I did this one here and this one up here, and now I'm able to fold this plastic down. I have access to the antenna from underneath here. Oh, let's see if you can see that. Right here. This is the antenna. I think if I undo this bolt, I should be able to pull the whole antenna down. So we're going to try to do that. Okay, so this is a 10 millimeter up here. I got a socket up in here and twisted it a couple times, and now I'm able to hand thread it off of here. Here it comes. Okay. Well, there's this antenna right here. That's definitely not what I was expecting it to look like, but here's this 10 millimeter bolt. But now it looks like this boot should just slip in there, and I shouldn't have to fight the actual antenna. Oh yeah. That was much easier. I would definitely recommend doing that. Taking that antenna off from down here. Now, I should be able to just pop this thing back up into this boot. So I'm going to try that. Like that. Hold this down. I think that's it. Yeah. Well, hell, that was easy. And now I just got to put this 10 millimeter bolt back up in here. And it's tightened. Now that's all flush with the truck. It's all tied up here. Now I should be able to just pop that back up here. Now you just take these little clips here, and we should be able to just pop them back in like that. I'm going to do this top one around up here. That was even easier. So I'm missing one because I messed this one up trying to figure out how to take them out. So once all that's put back together, we can either replace this antenna, your old one, or I got a nice new antenna. Well, not that I call it nice, but a nice little shorty here. I wanted to throw a short one on here. And this you just screw in. There we go. It's no longer crumbling. And I got a nice little short antenna. Got rid of that long thing that get broken off by a car wash or something. Also, I forgot to mention, I'll have links down in the description below for the antenna and this boot. Alright, well, there you have it. This is the end of the video. Hopefully it wasn't too long, but here's the antenna. It's nice and short now. So, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.